making much noise. Here. What is this? The giggly dumbbell. You want to play with it, don't you? Oh, you're so mad. Are we going to have pizza? Huh? We had dinner early, right? We're going to have some pizza. You hungry? Huh? You hungry? Lou wants to play instead. So good. Hey, wait. Is it good? So good, eh? What do you got? Are you eating some too? Kiwi likes to eat in sometimes. Hey, Kiwi? You're not ready to come out yet. It's good, right? Are you eating in tonight too? Huh? What a good boy. How's your pizza? It's delicious. How's your pizza, Missy? Is it good? Good girl. Oh, you like pizza this time? You normally don't like pizza. So delicious. How is it? So good?
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. Oh, here